Welcome to Drawlipa channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to scan a QR code on Android phone. Today I will show you two methods that you can use to scan QR code in your phone. Now for the first method, you have to swipe from top to bottom, and here you can see scan QR code option, then just tap here. Now from here you can scan a QR code. Now if I scan a QR code, and you can see that will scan the QR code successfully. Now if you cannot find this option here, then you have to download a third-party apps. Now just open your Google Play Store and then search for QR code scanner. Then tap here, then tap on install and give it a moment to install it. And the download is complete. Now just open the app, then tap on while using the app. And here it is. Now QR code scanner app is ready for use. If I scan a code again, and you can see that will scan the code successfully. And that is how you scan QR code in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.